Welcome to our exploration of how data modeling can be a powerful tool for testing business assumptions. In today's fast-paced business environment, making decisions based on solid evidence is crucial. Data modeling helps organizations visualize, analyze, and validate their ideas before investing significant resources. By constructing models, businesses can simulate outcomes, identify potential risks, and refine their strategy. This video will guide you through the basics of data modeling, its importance, and how it can transform the way you approach business challenges. Let's dive in and see how data modeling can give your business a competitive edge. Every business operates on a set of assumptions, whether about customer behavior, market trends, or operational efficiency. Testing these assumptions is essential because unchecked beliefs can lead to costly mistakes. Data modeling provides a structured way to challenge and validate these assumptions, ensuring that decisions are grounded in reality. By using data-driven models, companies can uncover hidden patterns, anticipate challenges, and make informed choices. This process not only reduces risk but also increases the likelihood of success. Let's see how data modeling fits into the broader context of business decision-making. Data modeling is the process of creating a visual representation of information and its relationships within a business context. It involves mapping out data sources, connections, and flows to better understand how information moves and interacts. This approach allows businesses to simulate scenarios, predict outcomes, and test the impact of different variables. By building models, organizations gain clarity on their operations and can identify areas for improvement. Data modeling is not just about numbers, it's about making sense of complex systems and finding actionable insights. There are several types of data models used in business, each serving a unique purpose. Conceptual models provide a high-level overview focusing on the big picture. Logical models delve deeper, outlining specific relationships and rules. Physical models translate these concepts into actual databases and systems. Choosing the right type depends on your business needs and the complexity of your data. Understanding these distinctions helps you select the most effective modeling approach for testing assumptions and driving better decisions. Constructing a data model begins with identifying the key questions your business wants to answer. Gather relevant data, define variables, and map out relationships. Use tools and software to visualize the model, making it easier to spot patterns and connections. Collaboration is crucial. Bring together stakeholders from different departments to ensure the model reflects real-world conditions. Once the model is built, it can be tested and refined based on feedback and result. This iterative process leads to more accurate and reliable insights. Quality of your data model depends heavily on the sources you use. Reliable, up-to-date data ensures your model reflects current realities. Businesses often pull information from internal databases, market research, customer feedback, and external reports. It's important to verify the accuracy and relevance of each source. Combining multiple data streams can provide a more comprehensive view, but it also requires careful integration. By prioritizing trustworthy data, your model will yield more meaningful results. Variables are the building blocks of any data model. They represent the factors that influence outcomes, such as sales volume, customer demographics, or market conditions. Clearly defining variables helps ensure your model is focused and relevant. It's important to distinguish between independent and dependent variables, as this affects how you interpret results. By carefully selecting and defining variables, you can create models that accurately reflect your business environment and test assumptions effectively. Understanding how variables interact is key to building a useful data model. Mapping relationships involves identifying connections between different factors and visualizing how changes in one variable affect others. This process can reveal unexpected dependencies and highlight areas where assumptions may not hold. By creating clear relationship maps, businesses can better anticipate outcomes and adjust strategies accordingly. Effective mapping leads to more robust models and smarter decision-making. A variety of tools are available for data modeling, ranging from simple spreadsheets to advanced analytics platforms. The choice depends on your business size, data complexity, and technical expertise. Popular tools include Microsoft Excel, Tableau, and specialized modeling software. Selecting the right tool makes it easier to build, test, and refine your models. Consider factors like ease of use, scalability, and integration with existing systems. The right tools empower your team to make data-driven decisions efficiently. One of the most valuable aspects of data modeling is the ability to simulate different business scenarios. By adjusting variables and assumptions, you can see how changes impact outcomes. This helps businesses prepare for uncertainties, test strategies, and make proactive decisions. Scenario simulation allows for risk assessment and contingency planning, ensuring your business is ready for whatever comes next. It's a practical way to test ideas before committing resources. With your data model in place, it's time to test business assumptions. This involves running simulations, analyzing results, and comparing outcomes to expectations. If assumptions hold true, you gain confidence in your strategy. If not, you can adjust variables and refine your approach. Testing assumptions through data modeling is an iterative process, leading to continuous improvement and better decision-making. It's a scientific way to validate ideas and minimize risk. Interpreting the results of your data model is crucial for making informed decisions. Look for patterns, trends, and anomalies that reveal insights about your business. Compare outcomes to your original assumptions and identify areas where adjustments are needed. Effective interpretation requires both analytical skills and business acumen. By understanding what the data is telling you, you can make smarter choices and drive your business forward. Data modeling is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process of refinement and improvement. As new data becomes available and business conditions change, update your models to reflect reality. Iterative improvement ensures your assumptions remain valid and your strategies stay relevant. This approach fosters a culture of continuous learning and adaptation, helping your business stay ahead of the curve. Successful data modeling requires collaboration across departments, involving stakeholders from marketing, finance, operations, and it ensures the model reflects diverse perspectives and real-world conditions. Collaboration leads to more accurate models and better outcomes. Encourage open communication and feedback throughout the modeling process. By working together, your team can build robust models that drive business success. While data modeling offers many benefits, there are common pitfalls to avoid. Using poor quality data, overlooking key variables, or relying too heavily on assumptions can undermine your model's effectiveness. It's important to regularly review and update your models, seek feedback, and remain open to new information. By being aware of these challenges, you can build stronger models and make better decisions. Let's look at a real-world example in the retail industry. A company wants to test the assumption that offering discounts will increase sales. By building a data model using historical sales data, customer demographics, and market trends, they simulate different discount scenarios. The results reveal which strategies are most effective and help the company optimize their pricing approach. This case illustrates how data modeling can turn assumptions into actionable insight. Marketing, data modeling helps test assumptions about campaign effectiveness. A business builds a model to predict customer response to different advertising channels. By analyzing past campaign data and customer behavior, they identify which channels deliver the best ROI. This enables smarter allocation of marketing budgets and more successful campaigns. Data modeling empowers marketers to make evidence-based decisions. Operational efficiency is another area where data modeling shines. A company tests the assumption that changing supply chain processes will reduce costs. By modeling different logistics scenarios, they identify bottlenecks and opportunities for improvement. The insights gained help streamline operations, lower expenses, and boost productivity. Data modeling provides a clear roadmap for operational success. Financial modeling is essential for testing assumptions about profitability and risk. A business builds a model to forecast revenue under different market conditions. By analyzing financial data, they assess the impact of price changes, new products, and economic shifts. This helps them make strategic decisions and manage risk effectively. Data modeling turns financial assumptions into actionable plans. Human resources can use data modeling to test assumptions about employee performance and retention. By building models based on workforce data, HR teams identify factors that influence turnover and productivity. This enables targeted interventions and more effective talent management. Data modeling helps HR make evidence-based decisions that improve organizational health. Product development teams use data modeling to test assumptions about customer preferences and market demand. By analyzing survey data, sales figures, and competitor information, they predict which features will resonate with customers. This guides product design and launch strategies, reducing the risk of failure. Data modeling ensures products meet market needs and drive business growth. Customer service teams can model assumptions about satisfaction and loyalty. By analyzing feedback and support data, they identify trends and areas for improvement. This enables proactive service enhancements and builds stronger customer relationships. Data modeling turns customer insights into actionable strategies for better service. Technology teams use data modeling to test assumptions about system performance and user experience. By simulating different configurations and usage patterns, they identify potential issues and optimize solutions. This leads to more reliable systems and happier users. Data modeling is a key tool for technology-driven businesses. Supply chain managers use data modeling to test assumptions about inventory levels and delivery times. By analyzing logistics data, they optimize stock management and improve delivery efficiency. This reduces costs and enhances customer satisfaction. Data modeling provides a strategic advantage in supply chain management. Risk management teams rely on data modeling to test assumptions about potential threats and vulnerabilities. By simulating risk scenarios, they develop strategies to mitigate impact and protect the business. This proactive approach ensures resilience and prepares the organization for unexpected challenges. Data modeling is essential for effective risk management. Strategic planning teams use data modeling to test assumptions about growth and expansion. By analyzing market data and forecasting trends, they identify opportunities and risks. This guides long-term planning and resource allocation, ensuring the business stays on track. Data modeling supports strategic decision-making and drives sustainable growth. Sustainability teams use data modeling to test assumptions about environmental impact and resource use. By analyzing ecological data, they develop strategies to reduce waste and improve efficiency. This supports corporate responsibility and enhances brand reputation. Data modeling helps businesses achieve sustainability goals and make a positive impact. Innovation teams use data modeling to test assumptions about new ideas and technologies. By simulating adoption rates and market response, they identify promising innovations and potential challenges. This guides investment decisions and accelerates innovation. Data modeling is a catalyst for creative thinking and business transformation. Expansion teams use data modeling to test assumptions about entering new markets. By analyzing demographic and economic data, they assess potential risks and rewards. This informs market entry strategies and helps avoid costly mistakes. Data modeling provides a roadmap for successful expansion and growth. Data modeling is a powerful tool for testing business assumptions and making informed decisions. By building, testing, and refining models, businesses can reduce risk, optimize strategies, and drive success. Whether you're in retail, marketing, operations, or any other field, data modeling offers valuable insights and a competitive advantage. Embrace data-driven decision-making and let modeling guide your business to new heights. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Now it's time to put these concepts into action.